And we'll, Paul, can you sit up there, please? And then, okay, we're back in open session. I'm gonna take care of one motion. Just disappeared from my screen. Okay. Be it resolved, whereas in a lawsuit entitled Claudio Guazzoni de Zanet versus the Village of Tuxedo Park et al., bearing index number EF 004013-2023 in Supreme Court, Orange County, by decision and order, the court dismissed and denied the petitioner's petition. And whereas the Board of Trustees is authorized to direct the mayor to institute all civil actions on behalf of the village and where necessary to protect the rights of the village and its inhabitants by intervening in all actions and may take any measure desirable for good government and the protection of the property of the village and the welfare of its inhabitants. And whereas trustees believe that the recovery of damages, including attorney's fees in the dismissed petition, would serve those purposes. And whereas the recovery of such fees would be consistent with the duties and obligations of the trustees. And whereas the recovery of such fees be sought as against the petitioner and cross claims brought by Mayor Citron, and whereas on account of the inherent conflict of the mayor in this claim, the deputy mayor serves in his capacity. Whereas two other law firms declined to pursue the recovery of damages, including legal fees, on a contingency basis. Whereas Elisa Gilbert Esquire agreed to represent the village on a contingency. Now therefore be it resolved that Trustee Shaw, Casker, and Scherer authorize and ratify the retention of Elisa Gilbert Esquire to serve in the place and stead of Berger and Santiago PC as counsel to the village for the sole purpose of pursuing recovery of damages, including legal fees. And be it further resolved that the retainer agreement with Elisa Gilbert dated October 3rd, 2023 is hereby ratified and approved in accordance with the terms of the retainer agreement. And be it further resolved that the deputy mayor may direct Ms. Gilbert and serve as the board representative in this motion for recovery of damages, including attorney's fees. Can I have a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, thank you.
Ayes have it. It's unanimous, Elizabeth.
So that was 3-0,
3-0.
Yes.
I forward you this resolution.
and the Mark and Paul are abstaining.
I have to say that, but that's why they're not up here.
Okay,
Not voting, the mayor.
or just not voting. I'm not sure. Does it make a
Mayor's
difference?
not voting, and Paul Brooks said he's abstaining.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you for giving us this moment.
I have a resolution.
Okay. And we have another one
Right.
for your
Based on,
conflict.
based on,
attorney.
yeah,
Yeah.
conflict.
Yep, yep. You want me to do that, or?
Yeah, would you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
And then you also have the.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a couple other ones. I propose a motion to grant the mayor, village, I'm sorry, conflict attorney, am I saying that right? At village expense.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that? I'm a little confused.
Make a motion to provide the mayor
Okay.
a attorney,
Okay.
represent him in the conflict that he has right now with this court case at village expense.
Based upon the letter of Sarcone.
Based upon the
Yeah.
letter Sarcone
Letter
wrote.
of Sarcone, yeah.
Brian, is that clear enough?
That is
That's a
clear.
way to say that.
That is clear.
Brian's good. Okay. Can I have a second?
If I may, though, just thinking about it too, it should be at a reasonable hourly rate or appropriate rate, whether it's hourly or however it is determined to be.
Okay. As stated by attorney, at a reasonable, appropriate rate. Okay. Second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Can you tell me what the vote was, please?
Yep. Paul, did you vote? Aye.
I'm not recused here, yeah. I'm in favor.
Okay.
That one he's not.
Okay.
4-0.
Yeah, I'm not voting.
And the mayor not voting.
I'm not
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mayor.
Yeah, we have another resolution based on the executive session. I hereby move that we create the position of supervising lake warden, that position be filled by Todd Yanucci for a period of 1 year, subject to renewal at the next reorganization meeting. And I further move that the position of Weewa Lake Warden, which was left vacant at the reorganization meeting of October 2nd, be given to Elizabeth Cotnoir, Cotnoir, again for a period of 1 year. Do I have a second?
I'll second it.
All in favor?
Aye.
5-0. Josh, sorry. How about you?
Yep, I'm there. I'm good.
5-0 on that one.
Thank you.
No other business or any other business?
Credit
Aye.
down.
Oh,
Something with the Weewa Beach.
And that's what I want to make sure it's clear because you said it with the first warden. The 1 year term is for the balance of the 1 year, the village
that's
official
correct.
year.
Through the village reorganization, whenever that takes place in 2024. Yeah.
It's actually a little different. It's through your village official year ends on the first Monday of July at 12 o'clock. So that's the balance of the official year, regardless of when the reorg meeting is.
Okay.
Whatever works for you. Okay. All right. We also have I move that with respect to the fee charge for the town summer camp in 2023, that $800 of that amount received be considered a credit towards the fee that the village will charge the town summer camp for the summer of 2024. Do I have a second?
They paid for 2022, they paid 58.
Right, it's for 2023.
So we're talking 2022.
Oh, I'm
Right.
sorry. I withdraw the
2022, we're
motion.
given, yeah, 2022, we're
They
giving them a
overpaid in
credit.
2022?
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Today,
Yeah,
22,
okay.
23.
Yeah, okay, so I amend the motion that for the amount they paid in 2022, that the total amount, $800, be credited towards the summer camp for 2023.
because they haven't paid it. yet.
2023. Do I have a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Unanimous, 5-0. Anything else? Yes. Oh, thank you.
The $24.
$24 to Inga.
Well, we'll refund it, yeah, we can do that too.
With a motion?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Cover, but
Haven't done it
All right.
before,
I hereby move that Inga Ryan Guderich be refunded the amount of $24 and whatever cents it is for overpayment of water charges. Do I have a second?
second.
All in favor?
Aye.
5-0. And the last, I move that this meeting be adjourned.
Oh, can I just say something first? Sorry. I was, I don't know, too embarrassed to put it on the agenda, but I was hoping the board, I'm trying to become a notary public, and BOCES is offering a class for $60 and the test would be $15, and I was hoping to get the board's approval to attend both.
Give us time to consider, Elizabeth.
Oh, okay. All right. I move that the board appropriate $75 towards the payment of a notary public class with the state fee for the village clerk Elizabeth Doherty. Do I have a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
5-0.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now I make a motion to adjourn the meeting, sine die. Do I have a second? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Unanimous, 5-0. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody.